How's it going, everyone? I wanted to show you the plumbing connection and gas connection for my ADU that we're going to build in the back. So this is day 2 of the connection for water supply and gas supply. See, he tapped on it here. He went ahead and sprayed it all down to verify there was no leaks. The water is back on right now in the house, so we know we're good. He installed these points, he crimped these on. Got the valve in off position right now. It's our gas connection here. He went ahead and sprayed everything down to verify there was no leaks. Got the union there, and then shut off valve here. So now we got isolation from the existing house to the ADU without disturbing the house itself when we need to do any type of work. The only difference is if I do have to do any work gas wise, at least I don't have to worry about turning off. I mean, no matter what, if I had to do stuff in this existing house itself, I am going to have to shut off the valve down here. So it is what it is. If I do that, it's going to turn off everything, as opposed to just shutting off, just that valve so I can isolate the water. But no big deal. I shouldn't be doing any gas work for my actual ADU after this is all said and done, because we got legit guys working on this, paying a little extra money just to make sure that we don't have to have any worries later on. So they ride the strut. He actually soldered these points here. He got that outdoor copper pipe, you can tell because he has a green stripe on it, and he ran rigid, galvanized rigid for the gas line. So you can see right here, kind of hard to see, but there's a green stripe right there. Sleeved the copper pipe as it goes down into the dirt, so when we backfill, it's not going to corrode the copper pipe. Got another little union right here, so when he transitions into PVC coated. Got the tracer wire on it coming down this way. These were factory connections. Got it over to here. Put a little union in here again. Nipple into the bottom of the house structure that we use to kind of run across, because we didn't want to have to deal with going on the exterior of the building the whole way. You can see it's in line with this vent. It's in line with this vent here. So we kind of knew where to go. We went through. Initially, some guys drilled holes here, but that was too low. It would be down way low, and you can't support to any of the framing. So if we didn't go through the bottom of the house here, we would have to ride all the way across this whole area and then go up to the ADU there. So I'll walk over. So he ran down underneath all the way underneath the house, and he stubbed out right here. So that copper transitioned into PEX. You can see he transitioned to PEX here. Got a little cap off here, and then his gas coming out there with his gauge. Right now it's set at, let me see here, roughly around 14, right at 14. I don't think it's going to lose that much more pressure. I think it's going to stay at 14. There's no leaks in it right now. But I believe Inspector, I'm not sure how much he wants to test it at. I don't know if he wants to do 10 or 15. 10 for 10 or 15 for 15. I'm not sure what the code is here in Huntington Beach, but they're going to be testing that out. So yeah, this is going to come out once they build the raised floor here with the wood and come all the way across here. He's gonna run this to the ADU section. So no progress out here yet, but the plumber did say that once they form up all the way across here and here and get ready to pour, he's just gonna run a sleeve through all the areas he needs to run sleeves through, so they don't have to worry about forming around all of his pipes, including my electrical that's gonna come through. I'm just gonna run right through the footing, but I was thinking I should probably just leave it too and deal with it after, so we don't go ahead and start digging, because he needs the sleeve for his waistline. He's gonna run a 4-inch waist, clean out on that side on the endo, and then run his waistline, catch the sink in the kitchen, catch the sink and the toilet and the shower over here, and bring them all down this way. 4-inch line coming across. It's gonna come down. He's gonna drill through here and attach to the existing 4-inch that's within the house right now. So I believe he's gonna sleeve for here for this guy, sleeve for this guy, and then sleeve for the waistline. That way he can do his work later on. But all right, that's pretty much it. I'll do some more videos on how he supported his gas line and his PEX underneath the house when I run my electrical. So I'll show a video of all 3 of those together. All right, stay tuned.